Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to start the next second chapter. What is around us? What is around us means we are going to read about our nature, our earth, our water, like that in this chapter. Dhanveen was roaming in the garden with his mother. While walking, a question arose in his mind. Dhanveen asked his mother, "What is land made up of?" Mother replied, "Do you see the sun every day? The sun too has a family which is known as the solar family. Our earth is one of the members of the solar family. The most important point is that only the earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water, air to sustain living beings." Here in this stanza, you came to know that one boy was there. He was asking his mother, कि what is the land made up of? कि how the land made up of? कैसे हमारा धरती बना हुआ है? Then his mother replied, "Do you see the sun every day? Can you see the sun every day? The sun too has a family which is known as the solar family." Already you know the solar family means our planets. So you know there are 8 planets, which one is moving around the sun. So that is called solar family. Sun and with 8 is planet, it is called solar family. Our earth is one of the members of the solar family. That you know the position of our earth also is the third from the sun. That is also our earth also is the member of this solar system. The most important point is that only the earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water, air to sustain living beings. Here last line is telling among all the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, uh, Pluto, like that. Among that, only in our earth only we are uh, we are getting temperature, water, air, whatever is needed for us to sustain a living being. Sustain means living. Sustain mean इस दुनिया में रहने के लिए living beings को चाहिए. That is available on the earth only, not any other planet. So this one is telling, that's why we can say our earth is a very important for us. Now second stanza is telling, generally it is believed that the part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision is earth. Now every time in our mind also it is prevailing how the earth consisted in this world or in other planets also. So scientists they were assuming कि these all the planets are, it is a one part of the sunny only. Sometimes 1000, 4000, 4 lakh years ago, it is assuming कि maybe our earth is a one part of the sun, which one and you know that this sun is a gaseous ball. So sometime maybe some part of the sun detached from it, and after a thousand years after it's cooled down and take the form of a ball, and which one is called earth. Now see what is written here. Generally it is believed that part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision is earth. At the time of its origin means when it is developed, came out in this world, it was in the form of a fireball. It is assuming only कि they are thinking कि our earth is the part of the sunny only, and when it detached after a long lakhs years afterward, uh, first when it is come out it just looked like a fireball maybe, and afterward it took a lot of years and years to cool down like that. This firewall started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. Elements means we can say in simple English things, cheeze. So many things of the earth got transforming, going to change into liquid and further into solid form. Means something remain liquid form only, something change as a solid, means like a iron, like a solid, its surface become change like this, our earth. During this process, the element which got transferred into solid are known as lithosphere. Now we came to know कि first it was like a fireball, afterward it cooled down, and in with this a lot of elements were there. In that, when it started maybe cooling, so some things maybe remain liquid and something change as a solid. So which the part which one became solid, that one we are telling lithosphere, land, surface. When we are walking, we are getting a hard substance, na? And when we are touching the water, it is a liquid. We cannot stand like that on the liquid form. So in this way we can say lithosphere existed in this world. The element which got transformed into liquid are known as hydrosphere. And whatever the thing which one not converted as a solid and remain as a liquid, that one is called hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. The element which transform into gases came to be known as the atmosphere. Then telling land form existed, water existed. In this action or reaction, a lot of gases also will be developed at that time, and it remain into the atmosphere. That is, or in this way, it is called air develop in this world, and our atmospheric belt will be created, and so many other gases also existed in this world. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as the biosphere. Now biosphere includes all these three things: land, water and air. So which one is very essential for the living beings? Living beings means, in living beings, human beings are coming, animals are coming, plants are coming. So in this way, biosphere created in this world. In this way, the four spheres came into existence on the earth. So now we came to know how our living being existed in this world, and four spheres were created. What are they four spheres? You can see in this picture also. See, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and its made biosphere. So total how many spheres are here in our earth? Four spheres are there: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere means landforms, hydrosphere means water bodies, atmosphere means all type of gases, and biosphere means these includes all these three things, making a family type, that is called biosphere. Now first we are going to read about, in this chapter we will read about all the spheres, but first we will start from the lithosphere. Lithosphere means landform. The sphere on which we live is known as lithosphere. Lithos means rock and sphere means layer. This is very clear, you can understand also. Nothing is there but very important line. The upper layer of the earth is made of soil and solid materials like rock. Approximately 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with lithosphere. 29% is telling कि landforms are there, hard parts are there on the earth, and you can know 70 to 71% is covered by the earth by the water bodies. That's why here written 29. Approximately 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with lithosphere. This layer is almost 64 km to 100 km thick. Thick means here this line is telling, below the soil surface a lot of layers are there, rocks are there, water bodies, underground water bodies are there, so many minerals are there. So like that one layer is there. So in that layers our soil is existed on uppermost part of the earth. So that is telling if you will dig the soil, so up to 100 kilometer down you can get this soil surface. Afterward you can get a lot of other layers of the landform. Rocks will get, water bodies will get, so many minerals are get, and at the core you can know it is very hot and liquid, so many gases are there, like that features are there. The thickness of the lithosphere is not the same everywhere on the earth, but telling कि 64 kilometer to 100 kilometers thick soil layers we are getting, but this layer is everywhere not remain same. सब जगह 100 kilometer तक नहीं रहता, somewhere maybe 50 kilometers, somewhere maybe 70, like that it will be like that. Similarly, their interior and exterior do not have identical physical features. Like that also, solid also, soil is there, landform is there, but their interior means अंदर का भाग और exterior mean outside वाला part. Every physical features are different. It is mostly made up of substance like soil and rocks. So we can say our lithosphere is made up of soil and rocks. That one is important. First two line is important. This line also, ki soil and rocks we are getting. Landform like mountains, plateaus. Now in the next page, next stanza, we are going to read this landforms about. Ki what are the features are there. Landform, soil to are getting, but we can see, observe also a lot of other things are also existed on this landform, that we are going to read. What are they? Landforms like mountains, plateau, plains, valleys are seen on the lithosphere. We are visiting, you know also about it. Somewhere we are getting mountain, high mountains, ranges in Himalaya ranges, not only Himalayas, everywhere, southern side also we are getting. Plateau means it is just like a mountainy only, but others upper part of the mountain is plain, surface is plain, that's why it is called plateau. Just Dehradun, Mysore, people are living there, that's why. Plains and valley. Plains means no, UP, Bihar, we are also living on the plains only. Valleys means the mountains are not very high. So these are the existed in the lithosphere. The temperature increases as we move towards the center of the earth. The molten rocks in the interior of the earth are known as magma. Now here telling in this line कि as we are going down below the earth's surface, land surface, so we are getting कि the core means the center point of the earth, एकदम center there. A lot of rocks are there, which one is molten means गल गया है, and so many gases are there because it is a very hot zone area. So many hot zone area, that's why a lot of minerals, rocks we can get there, and that one is reacted with this hot temperature, and so many gases are also coming out, and this liquid forms rocks parts are called magma. There are many gases present in the interior of the earth which rise up with pressure and heat. That we know already, that's why volcanic and earthquake appear in this world, because in the center of the core of the earth is very hot, and so many hot due to so many minerals reacted with that, and so many gases are coming out. These gases are moving towards the soil side and forcing and creating one type of pressure which sometimes troubling, that's why sometimes our earth surface is trembling, that is telling here. But the pressure of the rocks of the surface of the earth is equally strong, thus balance between the two is maintained, so the crust of the earth does not break. When the balance between the two is not maintained, the crust breaks and a volcano erupts. Here telling when the rocks continuously from the interior of the earth core, gases are trying to come out, and upper layer of the earth landform, they are with if it is balancing that, so it nothing will be appear on the Earth surface, but if the balance is not created, maintained properly, so these gases forces the Earth surface and our earthquake volcano appear in this world. So that we have had read in this stanza already. You know about it. Next, this in this way, the in this way Dhanvin mother satisfy him by giving them a lot of information about our earth, how it is existed in this world, about the landform, lithosphere. Then see what is telling Dhanvin to his mummy. Mummy, how is the lithosphere useful to us? Now his mummy is telling where can we construct our home if the lithosphere is not there. Then Dhanvin's mother is telling, if lithosphere landform is not there, so how we existed, where we will stand, where we will making our home and stay, if everywhere liquid water bodies were there. Without lithosphere, how can we get water to drink, agriculture for food, minerals for industry and forest? Now what is telling, draw a picture depicting all the details you observe on lithosphere based on conversation.